Now go and have a laugh. It's bloody funny.
Okay, originally,
the
original Henan facility was built for around $200 million by Kandi. 4 or 5 years
She just said what?
ago.
What do you say?
And
And anyway,
the new facility we have in Jinhua.
Zach Zeit donated $2 through a super chat to stop the earnings.
Stop the earnings. We have just covered the worst company in the history of the world. The worst earnings in the history of the world. Do not watch this video. Do not watch this earnings. In fact, do watch it because it's hilarious. It's how not to run a business. Remember, anyone can set up a business. I am the CEO of Martyn Lucas LLC. I took no qualifications or tests or exams to become a CEO. Years ago when I run my own theatre show, I was a producer. There was no school to learn to be a producer. I just decided I'm a producer and a director of a show. Difference is I was quite successful, at least for a while. Anyway, but right now we've just covered Kandi Technologies, which was the worst earnings call in the history of the world. It's on the New York Stock Exchange, hoping American, English-speaking, British-speaking people will buy their stock. However, they decided to present the call in, I think there was some Chinese in there, some Japanese in there. It was a bit strange, a bit odd. You have to understand, you've got to be able to speak to your own investors. That was the first thing. But what made it worse was they had, when they got to questions, they had like one guy coming on the whole time, just like telling everybody how great they were. And I might have another question. I think I've got a question. He rambling on and just, you can ask them that if you want. And it was, he asked about the website. You might want to update the website because there's nothing updated for the last few years. And it's all out of date and it's all in Chinese. No one can read it. You might want to fix that. And their response was, we'll look into that. It's just like the worst ridiculous stock I've ever seen in my life. And remember, not all public companies are great. Just because you can buy it on your app, on your phone, on Robinhood, does not mean you should, okay? If you want to know what not to buy, I recommend you go and watch this earnings call. I literally ended it, 3 hours from the end. It's been going on for 2 hours already. I stopped it. It was just rambling on, talking rubbish. The company, you cannot invest in this. Expect excellence. You've worked hard for your money. Honestly, just because it's on your app and it's publicly traded does not mean it's amazing. Just because it's lit up on your Robinhood account does not mean it's amazing. This is the worst company I've ever heard. Absolutely ridiculous. The crazy part about it is it's up. People are buying it. People are leveraging up, going all in with margin, pumping this stock up. I've no idea why, but I can't buy this anyway. Do not buy this. Do not watch this video, but do watch it. Do watch it because it will be very entertaining, telling you not what to do and not what to buy. Does that make sense? All right. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. You could buy Amazon or Apple, but I wouldn't suggest any of those well-run professional businesses. This is what you don't want to buy, just in case someone clipped that out and put in, Martyn said, do buy it. He's pumping it. He's owned it secretly. He owns it. Here is the earnings. There is the earnings. I doubt if I'll create an edited version of this. You can just go and watch the replay. I can't be bothered. Down here, there'll be something else. I don't know. Some other crazy lunacy. Until next time, as always, every stock is worth a second glance, let alone investing your hard-earned money. Take care of yourselves and each other. Now go and have a laugh. It's bloody funny.